What's up guys, and this time to take a look at the Galaxy A10. So let's see what this phone has to offer for $148 in 2019 from Samsung. But before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you are new here. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's open the box very quickly. And here inside the box, some papers, accessories and a Galaxy A10 phone. The device looks chic and robust for its price, at least initially. Samsung has opted for a glossy plastic bag that comes in blue, dark grey or black. Our blue review unit shimmers in the light, which looks good, but it is also a fingerprint magnet. At 168 grams, the Galaxy A10 is not a light smartphone, but it is also rather large, making its heft appropriate at least. The Galaxy A20 will be a better choice if you prefer something more compact, with the Galaxy A10 and its 6.2-inch display being more suitable for larger hands, have a resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels and 271 ppi pixel density. It has an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9 and screen to body ratio of 81.16%, and it runs with Android 9 Pie based on One UI. One UI incorporates a special feature that allows apps to be copied for use on two user accounts, which can be quite handy for messaging apps among others. Coming to the cameras, the Galaxy A10 on the rear packs a 13 megapixel camera with an f1.9 aperture and 5 megapixel camera on the front for selfies with an f2.0 aperture. It has a microSD card slot and two SIM card slots, which is impressive. Unfortunately, the device has no brightness sensor, with Samsung considering this superfluous for some reason. The phone is powered by an Octa-core Exynos 7884 processor paired with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, which can be further expanded up to 512 GB via microSD card. A 3400 mAh battery is enough for your day-to-day, whether you are the type to have texting marathons with your friends, watch live streams or do what you love on a phone that lasts. I am a bit disappointed about this phone because it has no fast charger.